how to fix Valorant Vanguard error easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just type here update and then click check for updates. Once you're here, all you need to do just make sure to install all the updates that you can find here, and after that right click here, open a task manager, and now after that just stay here and open services, and now scroll down until you find VGC, and here's it. Now right click on it, click properties, click here and make it automatic, and then click you will find it like that. You will find it running and not stopping, and then just click stop, and that's it. Just click apply and okay, and after that go to startup and right click here and disable. Now restart your PC, and after restarting your PC just come back here, enable Vanguard from startup and also from services, and now just try to launch Valorant as administrator. If that doesn't fix it, now all you need to do, it means that your problem is fixed. Just restart your PC, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.